Well, hey, you guys, and welcome back to another episode with the Canning Nana. So, today I just got back from mystery shopping. If you guys don't know what that is, you go to grocery stores and movie theaters, amusement parks, just about any kind of things, banks, all kinds of stuff like that. You critique and they pay you, and you normally get things for free or you get reimbursed. So, today I went to two different grocery stores. I made over $80 with just the two grocery stores, and I caught the produce guy marking stuff down. So this is organic baby spinach, you guys. So this was marked for $6.99, and I got it for $1.99. And I actually had 3 of them in my cart. I turned because I was going over here to look at this stuff because I needed a salad for this weekend. And somebody took one of my containers out of my cart. So I only got 2. But that's okay. So I got 2 of these. And I got, oh, here's the salad I was going to show you guys. And then I got 2 smaller ones. So 2, 4, 5, $6. And I've got, oh my gosh, a lot of baby spinach. This is all baby spinach as well, just smaller containers. So I am going to be dehydrating and making it into spinach powder. So sometime when I get these and I get them marked down like this, or I get a really good deal on them, I will saute the spinach with a little bit of butter, a little bit of salt, enough for my husband and I, and put it in Ziploc or freezer bags, food saver bags, and then freeze it. And it's enough for a dinner. All I need to do is defrost it, kind of like when you go to the grocery store and you buy already frozen spinach. It's already pre-sauteed, pre-cooked a little bit. It doesn't have butter or salt or anything like that on it. But mine is ready to go. And I do have some of that in the freezer already. And I have my freeze-dried spinach. What I need is more powder. So I've only got that powder, that small amount of powder that I showed you guys the last time. And we did a bag of spinach that was I think a 10-ounce bag as well. So, or 10 or 12. So these are 10 ounces. So it's not going to make that much powder. So that's why I got all of these. I am going to stock up on my spinach powder. It's always good. Yes, it is good to get fresh spinach as well, but I'm going to be growing a lot of spinach in just a month or so. We're going to start planting a garden here pretty soon. But I always get this. If I see them marking stuff down, what a good deal, okay? I mean, come on. I saved over $5 each on these things. You can't find this for $1.99 anywhere. Same with these. These were $4.99, you guys. $4.99 for 5 ounces. And it's because it's organic, but that's fine. So we are going to be going to a NASCAR race this weekend, and I am really excited. So I'm going to be making some salad to bring with us. I got some tomatoes over here, and I'm going to be actually using a can of my ugly chicken and making chicken salad sandwiches. I picked up a nice loaf of San Luis Obispo sourdough bread. I don't have time to make bread right now. I do have a starter, and I'll show you guys that at another time, or look back in my videos on how to make that. Super easy. So I got this at $1.69. This also was $4.99, and he was just marking it down. It is perfectly fresh. So the date on these, let's see. The date, where is the date? Come on, date, where are you? I think the date is actually the 27th, and that is Sunday, and they're good until after that date. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, February 25th on this one. Oh, 26th. Okay. So the date on here is tomorrow, which is fine. They're designed to last a few days after that, so I am perfectly good. I'm going to stick them in the dehydrator right after this video. And I also got some big, nice bunches of cilantro. And yes, I grow cilantro in the spring. I don't have any right now, but I don't have any cilantro powder. So I'm going to be dehydrating this as well and making powder out of that. And just to top it off, I picked up a 99-cent bag of beans. None of this that you see here cost me any money because I'm being reimbursed for more than this. And yes, I got more groceries than this, just a few. I did not overspend. I think I only spent $19. The requirement is that you spend $9 and buy 3 items. And that was pretty easy to do with this bunch right here. So this is what I got at the one store right here. Just all of these right here. And it is over, oh gosh, I figured it out on my receipt. 20 something, almost $30 worth of stuff. So yeah. And it's a good deal because I don't pay for it. I get reimbursed, like I said. If anybody, I know a lot of you guys have emailed me and I've referred you. I've sent you the referral link to sign up with the one good company that I'm with. And they do grocery stores. They do Kroger grocery stores. So if you guys are near any Krogers in your area, email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com and I will hook you guys up with a referral link so you can get started right away. This company is by invitation only. I have been mystery shopping for 35, almost 37 years actually, for different companies. I have 6 different companies that I work with, but only 2 that I am currently working with that really, really keep me busy. So if you guys want to start, email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com. It is so easy and so worth it. You do have to buy the groceries out of pocket and then they reimburse you. And one company pays you weekly, the other one pays you monthly. But they do have bonuses and things like that. So it is so worth it. And right now, we all need groceries, right? So if you want some fresh groceries or just to stock up on things, sometime I buy oil, I buy my vinegar. I was buying canning jars and canning lids, but the price of those at Kroger for a case of regular mouth, not even wide mouth, is $18.99. So, and I can go to Walmart all day and get those for $7.99. At the most is $8.99. Wide mouth, I think at Walmart right now are $9.99 and $10.99 depending on the brand. And their wide mouth was $22.99 at Kroger, you guys. No, no. So, and one more thing I want to tell you guys, I do have a new shipment of debubblers coming in. You can get them straight from me. Please inquire. If you need a debubbler, they are the really good debubblers. They have my Canning Nana name on it. So they come like this, and they are unbreakable. They are BPA free, made of acrylic, and they do have the edges on the end so that you can measure your headspace. And then I use this part to debubble. And the plastic comes off, so they are perfectly clear, but they are so cute, you guys. So I sell them on Etsy, but I'm going to stop selling them online and just offer them to you guys directly. I have a PayPal account, so we're just going to do it that way without the middleman, and hopefully save on some shipping too. And I have a lot of people on Etsy that buy multiples of them, and it pays to just buy it from me directly. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm also going to be giving away some. Yeah, so I've been really busy. I do apologize for there being no members only live stream. There has been no regular live streams. I have been super busy and in a lot of pain this week. So I'm hoping to have a better week next week and get back to our regular schedule. I have messed up so much this month in February, with freeze-dried February going. For me, that was supposed to be a huge thing, and I haven't gotten to it due to just being in pain and just not being able to get to it. So, yeah, I am really sorry. We're going to pick up. We are going to do this, and hopefully I'll be out of pain soon, because this kind of... yeah, it's not fun. So freeze-dried stuff is coming. Recipes are coming. We're just going to go into March with it. And we have a collaboration coming with What I Will and Will Not Can. And I'm going to do my own separate one as well with what I will and will not dehydrate. I did both of these 4 years ago with a group of wonderful women on here online. And a lot of them are going to be in the collaboration in March. It's just for one day only. I believe it's March 11th that we're doing it. It's going to be a lot of fun. So, but I'm going to be doing a separate one too, a little bit longer. Because I have a lot of stuff to show you guys, and a lot has changed in 4 years. So you guys will get to see what I like and what I don't, and what I will can, what I won't can again, compared to 4 years ago. And I'll link the old video to my new video, and you guys can see the difference. Huge difference from what I like now and from what I didn't like then. Same with dehydrating. I've just learned a lot, you know, more in the 4 years that I've been online, and I experiment all the time, you guys. I don't ever stop learning. And you know, there's things that I like and there's things that I don't, just like you guys will like some things and you will not like some things. So I want to do both of those for you guys with dehydrating and canning. I think both of those videos have over 75,000 views on them over the last 4 years. So, and when I did them, I was not monetized at all. And it really, those videos really got my channel started, and it was so much fun. It was my first collaboration. It was amazing. And everybody learned a lot from it. So we're going to do it again. And like I said, I'm going to be doing a separate one as well. So, we have some more canning videos coming, more dehydrating, lots of freeze-dried recipes and meals in jars. If I can get that up this weekend, I will. Watch for my air fryer video coming up on the 27th, which is Sunday. You guys are going to like that, and I will see you guys soon. So the word of the day today is mystery shopping. So make sure you are subscribed and eligible to win my random and monthly giveaways and my subscriber appreciation giveaways. It is coming, guys. I'm telling you, there's a reason we're waiting. So just bear with me on that, and you will benefit. Trust me. You guys will be, you'll be benefiting greatly from waiting just a little bit longer. Subscribe, like this video, comment the word of the day in the comment section, and please share my video. It helps my YouTube algorithm get out there and gets more people watching my video, and more people watching my video means more people learning. And now is really the time to start learning how to be more self-reliant, self-sufficient, watching what you buy, and buying what you can store right now. And it really is all about storing what you're going to be eating. You can't store stuff that you don't like and expect to just eat that stuff later on. So, yeah, there's a lot that I want to tell you guys, and I'll probably do a live on it. This way we could do a question and answer. So, coming up soon. Bear with me, you guys, okay? Just hang in there. Yeah, it's been a month, I'll tell you. I've had good days and bad days, and the good days are when I put the videos out. The bad days, not so much. So that's why you guys haven't heard from me a whole lot, and I'm really sorry about that, but I will make it up to you guys. I promise. If anyone is interested in the debubblers, just email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com, and I will give you all the information for that. I do not overcharge for them. I bought them for my channel to sell to you guys just a little bit over my cost, really. And because I was looking for a debubbler 2 years ago when I lost mine, and there were no debubblers to be found, and the ones that could be found online were like $15. So this is nothing like you guys can get in the store. It's unbreakable. The writing on it is imprinted. It does not come off in your food. It does not come off in the dishwasher. They are dishwasher safe. They do not scratch. And they will last you a very long time. And they're unbreakable. So I know I have a lot of viewers on here that have bought my debubbler or have won a debubbler. So if you have, put it in the comment section and let me know how you are liking your debubbler so that everybody knows. Tell me the kind of quality that you think it is. if you would buy it again, if you would give one away to your friends. Let me know what you think. I know I've heard from many of you guys. I've actually sold over 300 of these things, and we just got some more in. So, and we're getting some more in actually. So yeah, let me know. I'm really excited about all this, and like I said, I hope to be out of pain pretty soon here. Hopefully by next month, mid-month, maybe end of next month. But just bear with me, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment the word of the day.